This 2018 Forest River Sierra 378 FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stove top burner, LP detector, smoke detector, TV, external shower, microwave, water heater, oven, awning, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Sierra 378 FB is 12,455 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.